Hey, it's Tuesday and we're back in the kitchen.
It's time for another everyday getaway. And did somebody say dessert? And today's dessert is Ooey Gooey Butter Cake.
Hey, I wonder if it's as good as Paula Deen's.
I don't know, but we will give it a try. There's lots of recipes out there. We found one that sounded good, so come on along and let's try our hand at some Ooey Gooey Butter Cake.
Sounds pretty good.
Okay, ingredients for the gooey butter cake. We need a yellow cake mix, doesn't matter the brand. It is butter cake, so 2 sticks of butter. We're gonna melt these in a minute, or at least a stick and a half of it. 3 eggs total. It's 2 layers, so 2 in the first layer. We'll need 1 egg for the last layer. 8-ounce cream cheese, vanilla, powdered sugar. That's it. For the base layer, we're gonna put in the cake mix, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla.
Do you think this is going to be as good as Paula Deen's?
I don't know. Paula Deen's Ooey Gooey Butter Cake is some good stuff, and we just tried the Bluebell Butter Cake ice cream, and that stuff is absolutely delicious. So I'm hoping this butter cake is as good as either of those. All right, last thing we're going to add to this part of the mixture is 1.5 sticks of melted butter. And I did use salted just because we like a little bit of salt in there. And this is just to stir. This isn't a mixer. So we will stir this together. And this is gonna go in the bottom of a 9x12 that has already been prepped and sprayed. And we will just layer this on the bottom and get ready for the second layer. While Doug's mixing up for me a little bit here, just a reminder, this is not a mixture that you just mix up the cake mix as directed on the box. You specifically add just the ingredients, the 2 eggs, the 1.5 sticks of butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla too. Once Doug gets that all in there, we'll just kind of flatten that on the bottom. And then we'll get to what makes kind of the cream cheesecake-like layer. All right, he's almost got that spread out really well. We'll try to level it a little bit and get going on some cream cheese here. Ooey Gooey Butter Cake.
Okay, so I'm going to start our cream cheese mixture. I'm going to start with 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 cups of powdered sugar.
Now, this is a nice and easy recipe. So far, it's been very easy. Doug and I have both had a little bit of, a bit under the weather a little bit. We were gonna make this for Easter and it just didn't happen. So this is Easter Monday and it is coming together so easy. So I hope it's as good as it is simple. We had a little bit of a powdered sugar blowout there. Whoops. Once we get this all mixed up, we're just going to kind of dollop it on top of the other layer and spread it out. And then it's ready to go into the oven, I think. Simple, simple. We did have the cream cheese softened, but you do have to make sure that you get that all off the sides and the bottom and get it mixed really well. It mixed easily, but there was kind of a coating on the bottom, so we had to make sure that we got that scraped off so it can mix up.
Okay, so the last step is I'm just gonna kind of spread this out on top of the cake layer, and then we're gonna pop it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 350, and hopefully it will be delicious.
It's already preheated. This layer is going in. It's not as thick as I kind of envisioned, so it's spreading very easily. And it is so bright and cheery. I love all the yellow. Thank you, Angie, for the yellow dish towel. One of our faithful supporters knows we like the yellow here, so send us a dish towel. Thank you very much. And it is just as bright and cheery as this Ooey Gooey Butter Cake.
Hey, I've said it before, if you like an easy recipe or if you know somebody that does, please share this recipe out. Thank you for those of you that have subscribed. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and give us a try. And please hit the like button. It really helps us out.
There you go. We just topped 2,000 subs and we're marching on to 2,500, which is our next goal. Join the family, join the fun. All right, we're headed in the oven, 40 to 45 minutes until it's golden brown on the top.
And again, that was at 350.
Bake, little gooey thing, bake.
Okay, let's give this thing a try. Okay, this slice is really ooey and gooey. Now, I'm going to be honest. I already tasted one of the edges, and it was really cakey.
Right.
This slice came from the center, and it's really ooey and gooey.
There you go.
It's got really good buttery flavor to it.
You can taste the vanilla, you taste the butter. I think if
It tastes as good as Paula Deen's, I think.
you get good center bite.
Yeah, if you get a good center bite.
I really like the center. It's very soft, it's moist, buttery, gooey like Doug said, vanilla. It's a really good bite in the middle. If we did this again, I think we might use a smaller pan. So the top layer could be
Yeah, I agree.
that. Either that or maybe like do 1.5 times the recipe for the goopy stuff on
Yeah,
top.
but for this, I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah, that's good cake. We liked it.
Okay, so thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. I think it was a pretty good treat.
Yeah, we enjoyed it. It was something that we've been looking forward to. We tried the Bluebell Ooey Gooey ice cream, and that just got us off on the track of Ooey Gooey. But that ice cream, by the way, this is a side note. That ice cream is like the best Bluebell ice cream.
Now, I would try maybe to make it in a smaller pan because, like, I'll be honest with you, at first I did not like it at all because it was really dry. But if you get that centerpiece, it's quite good.
Right. It's just the outside edge is very cakey. And if you like the cakey part, then you get the outside edge. And then somebody who likes the Ooey Gooey gets the middle. It works out really well.
Hey, thanks again for joining us.
Take care of yourselves. Take care of others. And we will see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hey, this was a good one this week. But next week, I have high hopes for the no-bake peanut butter eclair cake. Sounds good to me.